Hey guys, you're welcome to my channel. To all my beautiful and lovely subscribers, thank you. I love you all. You all are there believing in me. Press the subscribe button, believing that I can deliver something good. I appreciate you all. I love you all. Mwah, mwah. Thank you. Then, if you've not subscribed and you like what I'm doing, you are free to press that button to get this your sister moving. Thank you everyone. Today we are doing a green shake. Yes, green shake full of vegetables. This shake is so nutritional. It's so detoxifying. It cleanses the blood. It fuels your system with what you really need to keep going. It lessens the cholesterol in the blood. It increases your bowel movement, digestive process. It's just good. 1 cup a day of these shakes will keep you away from the doctor. Let's not talk too much and get to making it. Here are the things we will be needing for this green shake. This is spinach, fresh spinach. If you have the big leaf or the baby leaf, anyone is good, they can go. This is lettuce. These are vegetables you normally eat as salad. This one you use it in cooking soup or you saute it. Now we are going to reduce them in the simplest form and consume them. Here in this plate I've got cucumber, I've got kiwi, and this is kiwi is already peeled. All of them are already washed and peeled. I have a half of green apple, only a half I'm using, and here I have some dates. In Nigeria we call it sweet cola. They are called dates in English. In Italiano, date, See. So I'm gonna be combining all these ingredients to make my green shake. Now for the liquid to blend the shake through, I'm using a soya milk. Soya. In English, soya milk here. So I'm gonna just be putting 2 spoons of this. This is a shake mix. If you have this, you use. If you don't have it, you're just good to go. I'm only using it because I have it. It's not that necessary. I'm going to be using 2 spoons from it. Apples are high in fibers, vitamin C, and various antioxidants. They are also very filling considering their low calorie count. They contain 86% of water and are very healthy for the skin and whole body. Kiwi is full of nutrients like vitamin C, K, E, folate, and potassium. They also have a lot of antioxidants and are a good source of fiber. Cucumber is a very healthy ingredient to be incorporated in our daily diet. It contains 96% of water, which makes it good for the digestive system and for the heart, the flow of blood. It contains vitamin C, vitamin K, magnesium, potassium, and phosphorus. All these are very healthy for the body. I'm now getting them into the blender. Sauce is packed with vitamins. It's very nutritious for the health. It has a lot of vitamin K, 107%, 45% of vitamin A, folate, fiber, magnesium, manganese, biotin for the hair, vitamin B1, potassium, vitamin B2 that are very nutritious for the body. Spinach, both raw and cooked, contain the same amount of macro fibers. They contain 188% of vitamin A, 47% of vitamin C, 15% of iron, 10% calcium, very low carbohydrate and 0 calorie. They are very good and healthy for the body. Keep your skin smooth, keep you healthy, and provide all the nutrients you need to stay younger every day. If you have a poor eyesight, spinach is highly recommended for you because of the high amount of vitamin A it contains. I added a spoon of the shake mix to each bottle of shake. Soy milk is an excellent source of high-quality protein and B vitamins. It contains isoflavones, which is a plant chemical that helps lower the blood cholesterol. Yeah, the two green shakes are ready. One will be my breakfast and one is for my daughter. Yeah, I advise you, if you want to go healthy, grow your hair, your nails, keep a healthy, fit body, and keep looking younger than your age, this shakes is good for you. Yeah, very tasty, so nice. So it's so healthy for you. You've seen all the pack of nutrients in it. When you consume it from time to time, you will gain all the benefits of the whole nutrients in it, and you will stay healthy and fit. Yeah, you can have these shakes without milk. Having it with only water is also good. If you must use milk, you go for a healthy milk, the plant-based milk, either almond milk or soybean or rice milk. They are more healthy with low calories. Thank you for being there for me. I appreciate you all. More things will be coming, more informative and helpful tips. Keep liking, sharing, and commenting on my videos. Love you all. See you next in my video. Bye.